If you're a truck driver and you were hurt in a crash around La Crosse, Wisconsin, you're probably hearing the same thing from everyone. Truck drivers are always at fault, but you know that's not always true. In fact, many crashes involving semis and heavy trucks are actually caused by four-wheelers, unsafe equipment, or companies that cut corners on maintenance. And when a truck driver gets hurt, the situation can get complicated really fast. You may be dealing with a totaled truck, lost income while you're off the road, insurance companies trying to blame you, and questions about workers' compensation, DOT rules, and liability. If you drive for a living, your truck isn't just a vehicle, it's your livelihood. And when someone else's negligence takes that away from you, you deserve answers and you deserve fair compensation. Truck driver injury cases are different from normal car accident cases. And here in Wisconsin, determining who is responsible can be complicated. In many truck accidents, multiple parties may share liability. For example, sometimes the crash is caused by another driver who cut off a semi, drove distracted, or failed to yield. Sometimes the problem is a mechanical failure, like bad brakes, worn tires, or faulty equipment. That can mean the maintenance company or mechanic is responsible. And sometimes the trucking company itself may be liable if they fail to properly inspect, maintain, or equip the truck. One of the first things an experienced truck accident lawyer does is identify every party that may be responsible and start preserving evidence right away. Because in trucking cases, evidence can disappear quickly. Things like driver logs, maintenance records, electronic data from the truck, dash cam footage. All of that can make the difference between a weak claim and a strong case. Truck drivers also face unique legal challenges. For example, many drivers today are classified as independent contractors. That means you may not qualify for traditional workers' compensation benefits. But that doesn't mean you're out of options. If someone else caused the crash, you may still have the right to pursue a personal injury claim for damages, including things like medical expenses, lost income from time off the road, damage to your truck or equipment, pain, suffering, and disability, emotional distress caused by the crash. And if your injuries prevent you from returning to driving, you may also qualify for disability benefits. These cases require someone who understands both trucking and the law, including DOT regulations, hours of service rules, and how insurance companies try to shift blame onto drivers. If you're an injured truck driver in La Crosse or anywhere in western Wisconsin, you shouldn't have to fight this battle alone. My name is Craig Steger, and I focus on representing truck drivers and rural workers injured on the road. I hold a Class A CDL myself. If someone else's negligence caused your crash, my job is to help you identify who is responsible, protect critical evidence, and pursue the compensation that you deserve. Reach out to my office at the number on the screen to schedule a free consultation. When you make your living behind the wheel, a serious crash can take everything off course. My goal is to help you get back on the road and back to your life.